Here's how you can add cards at any point of your video so that you can direct your viewers to more of your content. To get started, head over to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon on the top right, and then selecting YouTube Studio. Go to Content. Once you're here, select the video you want by pressing this pencil icon. There should be a section here on the right-hand side for adding cards to your video. Click on it, and this window will show up. By default, a card meant for videos will show up, but if that's not what you want, you can click on this trash bin icon to delete it. You can select between these options here. For the purposes of this video, I will use the video card. It will have you select a specific video from your channel. You can add some text here. These are optional, so there's really no need to add them. You can also move your cards in this timeline here, so it appears at the correct time you specify. You can add as many cards as you need within your videos too. Once you're done, press save. And that's how you can add cards to your videos. Also, here's a video on how you can add end screens to your videos. Click on the video on the screen, and thanks for watching.